Most historians believe that the Chinese were the first to invent the paper airplane around 2,000 years ago. This can be supported by the fact that the Chinese were also the first to make paper as we know it today, so it makes sense that they would also be the first ones to see what it could do.
So here we have three different types of paper to make a plane with. We have construction, notebook, and printer. There are four forces that act on a paper airplane. The first is thrust. For paper airplanes, the thrust is the force of the throw. The wings slice through the air, which causes some of the air to go over the top of the wing and some to go under it. The air on top of the wing is traveling faster than the air on the bottom, and a fast-moving stream of air produces low pressure and a slow-moving stream produces high pressure. This means that the air beneath the wing is pushing up more than the air above the wing. The difference in pressure is called lift, and the combination of thrust and lift causes the plane to go up and forward.
The reason the plane slows down and falls is because of two things called gravity and drag. Gravity pulls the plane downward, which opposes the plane's lift, while drag is essentially air resistance, which opposes the plane's thrust, and both of them work against the first two forces to bring the plane to a stop.
Nice.